More news coming in at this point in time, and we're exploring a big Turkey link to all of this. It's a big story with Dr. Omar and Muzammil's passports that reveal travel to Turkey shortly after joining Telegram groups. Jaish handler's directive is that the sources indicating the handler instructed the doctor module to disperse across the country. Target selection post-Turkey visit: Faridabad in the national capital region, Saharanpur and other locations are chosen after the Turkey trip. What really happened here? These are details we're getting at this point in time. The probe nearing a breakthrough. Investigation at a critical stage to unmask the Jaish handler. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu getting in more details on that big story. Kamal, you telling us about the possible Turkey link here and also the role of the handler in connection with this blast that has taken place right here in the vicinity of Red Fort. What more details do you have with you?
Well, it does seem that the tentacles of this particular terror module was spread far and wide across the country, especially on instructions of Jaish-e-Mohammed. This is where the handler had actually asked them. And remember, they were communicating through a secret app called the Telegram, which really avoids surveillance. Because remember, these apps have added encryption. And that is why once Umar as well as Muzammil, they had traveled to Turkey, a whole lot of things really happened. So one of the instructions that sources indicate to us was to spread out to other cities, including Faridabad, to Saharanpur and other vital locations. And that is why what you see is a country-wide raids taking place right from Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Jammu Kashmir. There are regions in Haryana, including Faridabad, Maharashtra. So all these have been activated, but particularly because the probe is at an important juncture. What we can also indicate to you is that security agencies are also looking through the mobile phone dump as to who all Umar would have called. And this is where important clues could really emerge in this particular case. But yes, as far as indications are concerned, remember, it became a group of doctors who really were indoctrinated, and that is where they actually roped in other like-minded doctors, and this became a doctor terror module. That seems very shocking because these are well-educated doctors. They're the ones who are responsible for saving lives, and they've been involved in a terror modules, anything from arms ammunition to as well as guns being recovered from them. So this seems like a big terror plot which has been exposed, and obviously the accidental way in which the ID blew up near the Red Fort talks about the further plans that this particular group really had.
Well, absolutely. The handler also, in fact, is being looked at, the role of the handler and the possible communication that he could have had, Kamal. The last few hours at the very moment when the blast took place at 6:50, who could have he spoken to? All of these are, in fact, all of this right now in the realm of investigation. Come on.
Well, absolutely, because remember, Pakistan would want to distance itself. They would really, because, the propaganda channels have been looking at, talking about how this is a false flag, completely denied. There is also the angle where they would want to indicate that this is homegrown with little support coming in from Pakistan. But there is definitely a Jaish imprint, whether we're talking about the Carbone IED, whether we're talking about facilities as far as arm ammunition is concerned. So a whole lot of things really falling into place. But because there are multiple agencies really involved, the ATS Maharashtra being roped in, what we know is as far as Lucknow is concerned. So we've seen how Jammu Kashmir police, Haryana police all at the forefront, and because NIA has now been roped in and they are the main agency who's going to be investigating and unraveling this particular terror conspiracy. What is known is the sort of use of technology, and that is where Telegram really comes in as to what sort of a communication to who all he had communicated, the group that they had formed, what sort of messaging was really done, what all targets were chosen. All this is going to be a part of sequence of investigation that would take place. But clearly, a huge manhunt on, especially to get to other associates who may have been roped in by this particular terror module.
Be with us, Kamal, getting in those details where we're exploring the possible Turkey link here to tell our viewers that the accused in this case, whose role is being looked at, and the man behind the wheels of the I-20 car that exploded right here, had traveled to Turkey. And that's the reason why Kamal is telling us about a possible Turkey link to all of this. A big news, in fact, also has got to do with the fact that the instructions to the doctor module essentially came in from this handler. Also, it was being said, Kamal, that the doctors, all of them involved in all of this, some arrested already by the Jammu and Kashmir police in Faridabad, were told to disperse across the country. So a larger conspiracy here, clearly indicating that this was a big plan that seems to have been foiled, isn't it?